back at you with another video from 80s Nut. Today, what do I got? Today I got the Sharp 4G 100. I totally forgot I even had this unit. It was sitting in one of the boxes and it was not labeled. It's an extremely rare deck to have, extremely rare deck to find, and it is an extremely heavy deck. Heavy without the batteries, and much heavier with the batteries, as this unit uses a whopping 12D cell batteries. That's right, 12D batteries. So imagine lugging this around for a while. It has a bunch of really cool features. Obviously, as you can see, has your hey, I can see myself. Okay, all right. Does have a TV right there, as you can see the reflection. Oh God, you guys can tell that I'm bald now. See, I normally wear a hat in all my videos, except I've been caught. Alright, let me run through some of the features on this unit. As I said, it has an AM/FM radio and it has a TV on the front. This is a really cool feature. It's a portable Walkman there. I should back the camera up more, but there's the Walkman. This is a micro cassette Walkman. Full metal jacket Walkman. Really nicely built. Around there. Has your left and right volume control, left and right microphone in. And there's your headphone jack there. Analog counter. Let's get a good shot here. Let me see if I can run through some of the features real quick. It's kind of dirty. Sorry, I should have cleaned this up before I pulled it out of the box. After I pulled it out of the box before I started the video. But this little unit's built like a tank. I know there's a number of different boom boxes that I have that actually have that feature, a portable Walkman. However, I have not seen or encountered too many that offer the micro cassette. Let me spin this around. Side view, you have your line in, which is extremely important. You have your headphone jack for the boombox. Here you have your channel search, which is digital actually, it's a touch. As you all know, we do not have a TV signal any longer, or else I would actually tested, turn this on, showed you guys. Let me put it down on its face. That is what the top looks like. This is your dial for your tuning. Has your balance control for your speakers, and closest thing to an equalizer you can have, your treble, high, low. What else? We have your stereo, mono, and then your radio line in, and that line in will control the RCA's on the side. Let's see. Let's take a look at the back side. So that would be your antenna there, and you got your contrast, your colors. That's pretty much it for this unit. Let me zoom out, and just for the heck of it, I'll show you guys the battery compartment. guys. So you can lug this 90-pound boombox with you to listen to your music. And if your car breaks down and you need a tire stop, you can use this. If you need a boat anchor, you can use this. If you're being attacked by a group of ruthless youth, you can use this as a weapon. There's a number of great uses out of this unit, so not just as a boombox. Okay, so ran you guys through this. I have a bunch of other videos I will be posting tonight. If you have any questions, let me know. Please subscribe and thumbs up. As I said before, you won't know that I put up another video if you do not subscribe. Alright, have a good night.